Hey guys, it's Yasmin. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have an unboxing to do. I just got this bag delivered to me today and I thought that I might as well do an unboxing and then, capture my first impressions of the bag. So I got this bag because I saw it on some YouTubers accounts and I was really intrigued by the bag, so I thought, okay, why not, let's just try it. So I'm really excited to see how it is, and if you are too, do stay tuned to the video. Okay, so let's get to the unboxing. I've already cut the top open, so it'll be easier for me to unbox and not have so much noise. So the bag that I ordered is from Anyfeel. So as you guys know, I've ordered the Anyfeel Birkin inspired bag before, but I didn't quite like it because it had some defects, so I returned that. But I thought to give Anyfeel another try, and I was very interested to see how this bag looks like. There was quite a lot of hype about this bag, so I thought, okay, why not. So it came packaged like this, and there's this kind of bubble wrap, which is good. So the bag itself, it says Anyfeel Women's Gen Medium Lavender, and it's new, so I'm so excited. And it's very nicely packaged. It's so so tight, right? Okay, let me clear the table. So this is how it looks like, and let me just start to open it. Oh god, I'm so excited. I think this, I have to admit that this was an impulse buy. I kind of told myself that, look, you have so many bags that you have not even utilized and use as much as you want. And then when I saw this, I was like, okay, oh my god, wow. Okay, let's see. So it's packed in several layers of this kind of plastic. Let me just open the, so it comes with at least 3 layers, and then you have as usual, there's the cardboard to keep the bag, I think, sturdy, and it comes in this simple black dust bag. And then inside you have oh wow, okay, so inside there's another layer of plastic, and then here's the bag. Okay, so this is the Chanel inspired shoulder bag, I suppose, in lavender with gunmetal hardware. And first impression is, oh my god, it looks awesome. I love the quilting. I only have one Chanel bag, an authentic Chanel bag, and I quite enjoyed it, except that because it was so expensive for a stupid wallet on chain, that I didn't really carry it out as much as I should. So I thought that, I should just try this kind of inspired bag. So let's do a close-up. I hope that it's very clear and you can see it. So it has this plastic covering here, and it has this turn lock, and you can just open it this way. Oh wow, the lavender is slightly darker than I expected, but nonetheless I think it's beautiful. I think it's beautiful. And the checks, I don't know, checks, or this is so bouncy, it's so thick, wow. And I have to say that the stitching is very nicely done. Does it match up? Okay, let's just open it. So you have one cover here, so it has they have this kind of foam cover, so it's the double flap. Let me just give a smell. Okay, oh, it smells fine, because I read some reviews which said that the bag smells funky, so I'm not too sure about it. But this smells, yeah, there's no smell at all. It smells quite leatherish. Yeah, I like that the stitches, they line up perfectly, so you can see that it continues, or almost slightly. And at the back, yeah, the stitches are nicely done. So it comes with a tag as usual. So you have this Anyfeel leather tab, which, oh, okay, and then you have the tag here which says Anyfeel, and then you have the maintenance instructions. Yeah, so it basically just says, what does it say? Let's see. So it says it's a handbag. Yeah, sheepskin. Oh, this is lambskin, sheepskin. Okay, and it's made in China. It originated in China. So okay, let's do this. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so first things first. As per the Chanel handbag, so they have a zip here, which, let's see if it opens up. Oh, it doesn't. Okay, so this zip is just for show. It does not, there's no pocket inside, so you can't keep anything there, which is weird, but okay, whatever. And then you have the second flap, the double flap here, which has a magnetic closure. So you have the turn lock here, and then you have the magnetic closure here. And the inside is like a somewhat burgundy shade. Unlike the authentic Chanel bags, they don't have the CC, which is fine, because as I mentioned, this is an inspired Chanel bag. It is not a duplicate. So yeah, so they just packed this. They just packed this. Let me just remove this. Okay, so inside you have the two slip pockets. I hope you can see it. And then you have one maybe to put a pen or a lipstick, and that's it. And this bag, I think the size is, it is in the medium size, or was it small? Sorry, I think I got it in small. And I'm surprised that it's not as small as I expected. I kind of expected something smaller, and I was thinking, should I probably have gotten medium, because you know, I tend to carry tons of things. But I was also thinking that since this is a bag for me to, you know, go for like dinners or whatnot, so I should not be carrying so many things, right? Anyway, yeah, so it's this size, and I think this should be quite a good size for me to just carry my essentials. So yeah, and there's one pocket over here, and one at the back over here. Yes, so I chose this combination because I quite like the gunmetal on the lavender. They had the lavender with, I think it was gold hardware, which I was a bit, the gold can kind of look a bit cheap if it's not done properly. So let me, oh wait, there's another pocket at the back here where they have stuffed the chain. Yeah, let me just check out the chain. Oh, so this is very nicely packed. Yay, I'm so happy. So let's just pull this out. And then you have the chain. I'll put the measurements in the description box below, because for the life of me, I can't remember what are the measurements. Okay, let's see how the chain looks like. So the chain looks something like that, and I can't compare it to the authentic Chanel, because number one, I don't have one, and I didn't really like, you know, check out how the authentic ones are supposed to look like. I mean, this is an inspired bag, so I'm not too worried about it not looking exactly the same, so I didn't really bother. But the chain feels pretty heavy and quite substantial, so I hope that it will hold. Oh, one more thing, I think one of the things that made me decide to get this size, and instead of the extra large size, yes, I think this is the medium size. So they had it in medium, they had it in large, and they had it in extra large. So I was pretty tempted to get extra large, and they had this like camellia flowers motifs design, but I was worried that the bag might be too heavy for the chains to support. So I did want to get something so huge and heavy, and then eventually the chains would break, because I kind of read some reviews where just after using it for a couple of times, the chains broke. So I decided, okay, let's just go with a smaller size. So I'm really very happy with the size. I actually don't have a bag this size. I think my smallest ever handbag would be my Louis Vuitton Speedy Bandolier 25, which is actually quite massive because it holds quite a lot of things. I do have the Chanel wallet on chain. You know what, let me just get for comparison. Yeah, so this is my wallet on chain. If you look at the size difference, it is very much a significant difference because, well, this is supposed to be a wallet, so it's not that big in the first place. And this is the comparison, so it's about twice the width of the wok. And yeah, so I'm pretty happy with this size because I think that this is too small if I were to go for dinner and I need to keep my essentials. I can't even carry, like, you know, a lot of the things. So this will be just nice, and I'm really very happy about the color. I think I made such a wonderful, perfect choice with this shade. And honestly, I love it. Initially I wanted the pink, but I already have a pink Chanel, so let's try something different, right? So anyway, I'll probably do a what fits in this bag video soon, once after I'm done with this. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching and for supporting. And if you've enjoyed this video and the content that I do give me a thumbs up, do subscribe to my channel. I really do appreciate it. And yeah, till next time, bye.